Micro Teaching Skill Series Part 3. Have you ever noticed when a teacher gives just one perfect example, suddenly the entire class understands the topic? Yes, examples are powerful, and today I will show you how to use them like a pro. Welcome back to my micro teaching series. This is part 3 where we discuss the skill of illustration with examples. If you want to watch the next skills, reinforcement, blackboard writing and set closure, then subscribe to my channel for all upcoming videos. Today's topic is skill of illustration with example. The skill of illustration means explaining concept with the help of real life examples. We can add stories, situation, analogies, pictures or diagram to make the content simple, relatable and memorable. So there are some desirable and undesirable components. Desirable components are those which you have to use in your classroom while teaching. Undesirable components are those which are the mistakes you are doing while teaching. So you have to avoid the undesirable components. So a good illustration include relevant example, clear and simple explanation. There must be logical presentation, clear and simple explanation, logical flow must be there, real life connection must be there, and there must be interactive questions in the explanation. Students, are you following? If yes, write I am following in the comment box. And undesirable, avoid these mistakes while teaching. Irrelevant examples, complicated explanation, random ideas, unrealistic situations, or one-way boring style. So you have to be lively. You have to teach the concept with full of happiness and joyfulness. Skill of illustration with example. Here teacher will ask the question and student will reply. Well student, all these classroom situations reflect the core principle of democracy. Just as you vote for your class monitor, citizens vote for their leaders in country. So democracy ensures fairness, equality and accountability. If leaders misuse power, people can replace them, just like you can replace a monitor. Every vote matters and every voice matters. So you can connect the political leaders vote to classroom monitor vote. So student will be able to connect. This is the rating scale in which teacher will give you the marks. So teachers, remember, when your example is strong, your teaching becomes stronger. So example make concept come alive. So please use real life examples in your classroom. Connect your content with reality. Friends, I hope the concept is clear. If yes, please write yes in the comment box. And don't forget, this is only part 3. To learn the remaining skills, subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.